Alright, as you can see here, there are a little tough exercise. I can say that from age and so on, the exercises are really tough. So I'm gonna help you with the exercise O. This one here, 7.5% of $60. So I'm gonna write it here, 7.5% of $60. How much is gonna be that? Let's find it out. First of all, we have to transform that this mixed number into a decimal number. So I'm gonna do it right here. Remember that it is very easy to transform a mixed number into a fraction. We have to multiply. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 what? 15 halves. Percent of $60. Now I have to transform this fraction into a decimal. So what I have to do this time is divide. And what I'm going to divide? 15 by 2. Remember that every fraction is also a division. So let's divide. Okay, I'm gonna divide the 15 by 2, and the number that I need is 7. 7 times 2 is 14 to the 15 is 1. Since I ran out of numbers here, I put a 0 here and a point there. So the number that I need here is a 5. 5 times 2 is 10 to the 10 is a 0, and that is the end of the division. So 15 halves percent is the same to say 7.5% of $60. At this point, I must transform this percentage into a fraction, and that is very easy. I put the same number, 7.5, and the denominator will be 100. Remember, every single time you have to transform a percentage into a fraction, you must place the same number as a numerator and a 100 as denominator. And this time we have to multiply 7.5 100 by $60. Okay, since it's a multiplication of a fraction by a natural number, we had to multiply the numerator by the number. So let's do it here. 7t times 7.5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 6 is 42. Then I add, and I get a 0 here, a 0 there. 3 plus 2 is 5, and just 4 here. How many decimals will the answer have? Well, since here we only have one decimal, the result will have only one decimal, that is 450. So we have to put 450. Don't forget to put the 100 here, because we haven't done nothing with it yet. And the dollars, I almost forgot to put it. Okay, since every fraction is also a division, we have to divide by 100, but that is very easy. Since we only have two zeros here, we are going to move the point 2 places, 1 and 2. That will be 4.5 or 4.50 if you will. And I almost forgot to put the dollar here. Okay, so that it is the answer. So for a short recap, here we have a mixed number. We have to transform it into a fraction, from a fraction to decimal, and the entire percentage as a fraction. Remember that to do that, you just put the same number as numerator and a 100 as percent. 100 as denominator, sorry, and then you multiply this fraction by the number, multiply the numerator by the number, and then divide by 100, which is the easiest part of all. That is the end of the exercise. I hope you have luck with the other exercise, and goodbye.